Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the difference between real flow and money flow. First, what is the circular flow of income? Circular flow of income simply means the income and expenditure refers to the process whereby the national income and expenditure of an economy flow in a circular manner continuously through time. Means circular flow of income. First is the real flow. Real flow, this refers to the flows of goods and services. These are real because they consist of actual goods and services. When the factor services such as land, labor, capital, and enterprise flow from household to firms which requires them for producing goods and services. These are called as real flow. Similarly, when the goods and services produced by firm flow from producing enterprises to the household who buy them for satisfying their wants. These are also real flows. Such flows are continuous and there is no beginning point or ending point in this flow. Simply means both refers to the exchanges of goods and services for money. The real flow to the flow of the actual goods or services, while the money flow refer to the payments for the services. Next one is the money flow. The money flow, this refers to the flow of money in the form of factor payments and consumption expenditure. Means the money flow occurs since it is through money that various transactions are conducted. It is money that facilitates such transaction bringing flow of money from one sector to the another. When the factor incomes like rent, wages, interest, and profit flow from firms to the household as a rewards for their factor services. This is called as money flow. Similarly, when households spend their incomes on purchase of goods and services, and as a result, money flow back to firm. These are indicates money flow. Simply means money flow occurs when, for example, companies pay wages in return for labor or services provided by individual, as well as when individuals spend money to obtain goods and services produced by companies. Next one is the what is the difference between the real flow and money flow. First, the real flow, the firm sector hires productive factor services from household to produce goods and services. This is real flow. In money flow, the household in turn receive factor income in the form of money from the firm sectors. This is the money flows. Then a real flow includes the factor of productions such as labor, land, and the flow from individual to companies, as well as the flow of goods, services from companies to individual. Then money flow occurs when companies pay wages in returns for labor or services. And then a real means the production and consumption of actual goods and services. In money, the actual production economic underlying it, where the money serves as a lubricant to make trade and transaction more efficient and less quantities. Then in a real flow, money flow refers to flow of money in terms receipt and payment across different sectors of the economy. For example, flow factors, payment by producer sector to the household sector, or flow of money from household sector to the producer sector. In real flow refers to the factor services of household sector to the producer sectors. Next, the real flow, which, thank you.